Welcome to the video on getting started with Amazon Web Service. Amazon Web Service, also known as AWS, and we'll be learning how to create AWS account and start using AWS services. Before we start, first we need to visit AWS website, that is aws.amazon.com. From here we need to click on create new account. And now we'll be redirected to this page. You will need to provide an email address for your root account. The root account is like your administrator account, which will have full control over your AWS services. Enter your email and your name and then click on verify email address. Then check your inbox for the verification code and enter the code and then proceed to next step. And now we need to create a new password for our root user account. For this, we need to create a strong password following the provided guidelines, and then we can click on continue to proceed to next step. Now here we need to enter our contact information. Here we can either use this account for personal use or business use. In this case, you can choose any of them and then fill your name, fill your phone number and address, and then continue to next step. And next is the billing information step. Here you need to add your billing information. Here you can either add your own credit card or someone else. AWS will charge a small amount for verification, which they will refund after a few days after you have entered your billing information. Let's move to next step. In this step we need to enter our phone number, and then we can choose either to receive a verification code in SMS or a voice call. And after you have entered the phone number, just click on send SMS or voice call and you will get the verification code. Just enter that verification code. Next you will be greeted with AWS welcome screen. Congratulations, now you have access to AWS services. Now since your AWS account is new, you will get access to various services as well as you can enjoy your free tier. But however, some services like dedicated instances or GPU instances or some extra quota limits might not be enabled for your account by default. If you need some more limits than what your free account have, then you can request an increase in your quota limit from the customer support, but make sure to provide a clear description. If they find your description genuine, then they will increase your quota limits. And important note, if you are using AWS services for testing or learning purpose, it's crucial to stop any services when they are done. Running all the services can lead to unexpected charges, especially if you exceed the free tier. AWS bills can add up quickly, and failure to pay those bills on time, AWS can suspend your account. So always start AWS services when it's needed and stop them when they are done. So that's all for this video. This was the first video for AWS series. More videos are coming soon. For more such content, make sure to subscribe for upcoming videos.